Okay, please welcome on stage our 10-kilometer runners. Okay, celebrity runners, of course. Palakpakan, guys. Alright, everyone, please welcome Kim Chu, Paula Avellino, Ira Lopez, Micah Kimochi, Althea Ambrosio, Matthew Uy, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes, and Mr. Kim Atienza. Come up on stage, sirs. Good morning. Maraming salamat for joining us. Good morning. Good morning. Alright. Okay, get your cameras ready. Ayan. Okay, group photo.
Hi guys, good morning. I take this opportunity to lead the prayer. Dasal tayo.
Alright. Group photo. Alright. Followed by our... Ready na kayo? Ready na kayo to sweat and stretch? Alright.
This is us before running. This is us after running. This is us after running 10 km. Ba't kasi after? Wag na kami. Tama na. Mabilis na kami. Ay, naman.
10 pesos donated by Sparkle. Thank you so much. Once again, round of applause for Sparkle and Mo.
Boys!